Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Himas Mese Putri and here I will presentation abstract noun phrases and gerund phrases. Okay, for the definition abstract noun phrase and English grammar, in English grammar, an abstract noun is a noun or noun phrase that names an idea, event, quality or concept. For example, courage, freedom, progress, love, passion, excellence, and friendship. And abstract noun names something that can be physical, touch. Contrast this with a concept noun. According to Nordquist, an abstract noun is a noun that refers to something that cannot be seen or physical measures, such as ideas, emotion, and trait. Okay, for the structure abstract noun phrase. And this slide, I explain the structure of an abstract noun phrase. It usually consists of a determiner and adjective before the noun, followed by an abstract noun as the main element. Additional information can be added after the noun, such a professional phrase or a relative clause, to make the meaning more specific. Okay, for the function abstract noun phrases. And on this slide, I explain the function of abstract noun phrases. Abstract noun phrases function as noun phrases in sentences, so they can act as a subject, an object, or a complement. And this means they play an important grammatical role in forming complete and meaningful sentences. Okay, for the example abstract noun phrase. And this slide provides example for abstract noun phrase in the sentence. And for the example 1, the deep sadness. And meaning the deep sadness, this is abstract because sadness is a feeling. And for the example 2, a strong belief. A strong belief, this is abstract because belief is an idea, not a thing. And for the example 3, fear of failure. And fear of failure, so the words fear and failure are both abstract. Okay, for example 4, hope for a better future shows how an abstract noun is followed by a professional phrase. Another example, for example 5 and last, the courage that saved him. And the demonstrates how a relative clause can explain the abstract noun. These examples help clarify how abstract nouns phrases are used in real context. Okay, for the definition of gerund phrase. Okay, on this slide, in this slide, I explain the definition of a gerund phrase. A gerund phrase is a phrase that begins with a gerund, which is a verb ending in ing but functions as a noun. And gerund phrases are used to express action or activities as ideas rather than as ongoing action. And according to Lamotus, a gerund is a word that functions as noun and ends in ings because gerunds are derived from verb and in ing they express action. Okay, for the structure gerund phrases. And this slide, I explain the structure gerund phrases. It starts with a gerund as the main word and might be followed by an object, complement, or modify. And even though it comes from a verb, the entire phrase still functions as a noun in the sentence. Okay, for the function gerund phrase, and in this slide I explain Gerund phrase is a phrase whose core is a gerund phrase, a verb ending in ing that is treated as a noun. For example, reading books, studying hard, or speaking politely. And in English sentences, gerund phrases have several important functions. And function as the subject, object of certain verbs, and object are of preposition. Okay, for the example, gerund phrase. For the example 1, reading books. Sentences, reading books improves your knowledge. And in this phrase, reading is a gerund derived from the word read, while books in the object. For the example 2, her singing loudly. Sentence, her singing loudly disrupt back the class. And the word her indicates who is doing the activity. Singing is a gerund, and loudly describe how. This entire phrase refers to the activity of her singing loudly, which serves as the subject in the sentences. Okay, for the example 3, studying grammar at night. And sentence, I like studying grammar at night. And meaning, here studying acts as a gerund, grammar as an object, and at night as an adverb of time. And this combination expresses a complete activity, namely studying grammar at night. And this phrase is the object of the verb like. Okay, for the 4, writing along essay. And sentence, writing along essay takes a lot of time. And in this example, writing is the gerund and along essay is the object. And this phrase refers to the activity of writing a long essay, which is treated as a single thing or concept. Example 5 and the last, speaking English fluently. And sentence is, she is good at speaking English fluently. And in this phrase, or in this example, speaking is the gerund, English serves as the job object, and fluently in an adverb of manner. And this phrase demonstrates the ability to use English fluently and functions as a noun after the prepositional. Okay, for the last conclusion, in a conclusion, these presentations show that abstract noun phrases and gerund phrases are important parts of intermediate English grammar. By understanding their definitions, structures, function, and example, students can improve their ability to create clear and well-structured sentences. Okay, that's all from me. I apologize if there are any incorrect pronunciation, and see you next time. Bye bye.